Did you know that 87% of real estate agents fail within their first 5 years? And most of those who fail start going downhill in their first 100 days. Today, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint to make sure you're in the top 13%. The same plan that I give to agents that I mentor at eXp to help them close deals faster and build momentum. Because this is what we all want. Let's go. Let's take a dive in. I'm Brandon Scriber, two-time icon here in Dallas, Texas, and I mentor agents nationwide. And also we have a team called the Breadwinners. Whether you're a brand new agent or you are an agent that's looking to revamp your career, these 100 days are going to be vital for you. So let's get to the first one. First, mindset. I know it sounds very cliche, but it's so true. Some of y'all are transitioning from W-2 salary jobs, hourly jobs into the world of entrepreneur and 1099. You have to remember, you're not just a realtor. Now you are a business owner. What does that mean? That means every dollar that's spent, every dollar that's made, every client that you get, the buck stops with you, starts and stops with you. Everything starts and ends with you. You have to have a hunter and gatherer mindset. Believe that it's yours. So you got to go out there and take what's yours. So mindset is very important. Treat these next 100 days like you're laying the foundation for $1 million company. That means define your why. What are your goals? What lifestyle do you want? And what do you have to do to get there? Commit to the daily actions even when you don't want to. Number 2, next you're going to build your foundation. On day 1, you are going to build your database, meaning put everybody that you ever know, whether it's your mama, your daddy's cousin, baby mama, I don't care who it is. You're going to put their name and number and email address into your CRM. And then what you're going to do is build your brand presence. That means when you're going on social media, I want to see uploaded or updated headshots, not something from 5 years ago. Don't use generated AI headshots either. Get your real headshot and post it. And then also on your social media, you're going to let them know that you are a realtor. So in your bios, whatever city that you're in, let them know you're a realtor and you are ready for business. A common question I get a lot is, should I start a new business page for my real estate needs? Personally, I don't agree with that. Why reinvent the wheel? You already have people who like, know you, and trust you. So go ahead and just use your personal page as your business page. Because at the end of the day, it's all related and you will soon see why. Third pillar, lead generation. Do not be a secret agent. All the folks that you input into your CRM, you're going to text them personally. You're going to call them personally, and you're going to let them know that you are in real estate. You're going to ask them, how can I help you with your needs? And if you're scared of that, remember, going back to mindset number 1, you have to be a hunter and gatherer. So if you want to be successful in this business, the name of the game is talk to as many people as you can. And also, when they think real estate, you want them to think about you and nobody else. Another thing you could do as part of lead generation is social media. So start posting content at least once a day on your feed. You can start with real estate tips. You can start with a day in the life, document your trainings. People are nosy. You'd be very surprised of how many people actually eat that up. Pro tip, start visiting and recording new construction homes. Everybody likes the new shiny objects, and also with the way the current market is with interest rates, most of these builders are offering lower interest rates and also closing cost incentives. So when you pair it up, you have brand new shiny toy and all these other incentives that go along with it. You put them together and you have something that people love. So post those videos. Now with lead generation, these are your non-negotiables. They're almost as important as number 1. Without leads, you have no clients. Without clients, you have no sales. So the next pillar of your first 100 days is going to be education and implementation. So starting off brand new, chances can be very intimidating, and chances are this is going to be the slowest time of your career. Use this chance to load up on all the education that you can, so when you do land that first client, you already have the knowledge to answer the questions and be the professional that you truly are. So plug into your broker's training calendar. You can reach out to title companies, lenders, and see what CE programs they have going on. Over here at eXps, we have thousands of hours of live training and on-demand training. We also have something called FastCap. FastCap is a 6-week training program designed to help agents cap faster within their time within a brokerage. And I believe studies show they equate to at least 4 listing agreements signed or buyer rep agreement signs if they actually go through with the process. We'll drop a video on that, but first let's get down to the next steps. So the next pillar is going to be tracking and accountability. Every week, you're going to review your numbers, how many calls you made, how many conversations you had, how many social media posts you've had, contracts written, whatever you're doing, you are going to track it because you can't measure what you don't track. Busy doesn't pay the bills, productive does. So make sure you are making income producing activities, which is things that we talked about in the lead generations. post videos, talk to people. How can I help you buy and sell real estate? In my group here at EXP, we track numbers together and hold each other accountable to our goals, especially my business partner, Paul Roberts. He has an accountability call we do every single week, in addition to other calls we do every week to make sure you succeed. So your first 100 days are either going to make you or break you. And if you're starting behind, it's okay. Start right over on your first 100 days. So you just got to remember, stay strong, consistent, and have that belief and mindset that you can and will build a successful business that you're proud of. But anyways, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another video, and hope to see you close your next deal. Peace.